Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how antivirus software works to keep your computer safe from malware and other digital threats. First, let's understand what malware is. Malware, short for malicious software, is any software designed to harm or exploit any device, network, or computer system. There are different types of malware, such as viruses, Trojans, Spyware, Adware, and Ransomware. So, how does antivirus software work? Antivirus software uses a combination of techniques to detect and remove malware from your computer. Here are the steps involved. Signature-based detection. Antivirus software uses a database of known malware signatures to identify malicious files on your computer. These signatures are unique characteristics of the malware that the antivirus software is designed to recognize. Heuristic analysis. Antivirus software also uses heuristic analysis, which is a technique that detects suspicious behavior or activity of a file or program that is not in its signature database. Behavior-based detection. Antivirus software monitors the behavior of programs on your computer to identify any suspicious activity. For example, if a program is trying to modify critical system files, the antivirus software will flag it as suspicious. Sandboxing. Antivirus software may also use sandboxing, which involves running a program or file in a separate environment that is isolated from the rest of the computer. This allows the antivirus software to observe the behavior of the program without risking infection. Finally, so there you have it, a brief overview of how antivirus software works. By using these techniques, antivirus software can detect and remove malware from your computer, keeping it safe and secure. Remember to keep your antivirus software up to date and perform regular scans to stay protected. Thanks for watching.